Good evening, everyone. This is Nick from VolumeProfileTrader.com on Thursday, October 20th. And tonight, we're going to cover Patriot Coal. Patriot Coal just released earnings tonight. EPS minus 54 cents. So they lost 54 cents per share. And I know you're thinking like, dude, come on, man. They lost money. Why would I ever put money into this? And my reason is, well, 18% of the shares owned in Patriot Coal are short. So that means in order for those shorts to cover, they have to buy Patriot Coal. And what's interesting now about where we are is Patriot Coal, and I'm going to zoom in one. Okay, this is a 1 hour chart. The other chart was a daily chart. But Patriot Coal, you know, it had this huge flush out, and that was pretty much it. And now we've pretty much been balancing at around, let's say, $9.25 has really been the low. And what I find fascinating is this point of control is right around where price is, and price is, you know, doing a fairly decent job of staying elevated, you know, because this stock, as far as fundamentals, it's not like they're earning a ton of money, but today, for example, they were up 8%, and 76 cents on a $10 stock. It's not that big of a deal, but hey, a 8% move is an 8% move regardless. So pretty much what I'm looking for here is some kind of breakout. Now that earnings, that catalyst is gone, the stock really didn't move much in the after hours, and we're basically looking for a breakout to the upside with managed risk. We know what our lows are, and we can pretty much say, hey, if Patriot Coal goes, let's call it 910 to 890, in that range, we're wrong, and we're wrong to be holding Patriot Coal. We can just go ahead and ditch the witch and try to catch another trade. But ultimately speaking, we have a few upside targets. One being, the $11 range, where the ceiling has been really the last 3 times it's been there. And other than that, I can zoom out one, and you can see probably if we look at the point of control from August, we have some pretty big volume at 13, but really you can see where the major volume lies. The major volume lies right where we're at, and we're starting to poke our head above it, and we've been consolidating in this range for about a month now, and now we're looking to see if this thing has some legs to move to the upside. Since we have 18% of the shares short, this thing could really get going. So basically what I'm looking for is some follow through, and you want to be involved. You want to have a cost basis around 980, 990 on the stock, and you want to look for upside. 11's a profit taking area, and then really 13's your ultimate area. If it doesn't work out, your stop goes at 9, 890. You maybe not 9 because that's a psychological level. But maybe 10 cents below that or so. But realize that is a dollar lower on a $10 stock, so that's a 10% risk. But really, you're going for a 3-to-1 risk reward, because we're looking for $3 in upside. So this is just Patriot Coal. Realize the fact this isn't a fundamentally sound company, but it is for a trade, and what we're looking for is some kind of short covering rally push to the upside.